Welcome to webCRM. This video shows you how webCRM synchronizes meetings, mails, activities, and contacts with Outlook. If you use Outlook on a daily basis, you can synchronize your data both ways between your Outlook system and webCRM. You can synchronize your emails, calendar, contacts, and tasks. To do this, you will need to order and enable the Outlook synchronization module via your webCRM system under Configuration License. In Outlook, you typically have emails, calendar, contacts, and tasks. All four areas can be synchronized two ways with webCRM system. This requires that you order the Outlook synchronization module under License in your system. To configure your system from within webCRM, access the menu items Configuration Integration, then click Outlook. You must now decide what you want to synchronize. We recommend that you start by synchronizing your contacts from webCRM over to Outlook. You can do this in reverse, but then you run the risk of private contacts flooding your webCRM system. Also note that you should only select Sync All Outlook Users if you want all meetings, etc. from all users of your webCRM system synchronized into your personal Outlook system appearing in your calendar. Select this if you have very few employees in your company. If you want all participants at a given meeting to synchronize their Outlook, select When User is a Participant. You can also choose to synchronize a number of additional fields from Outlook to webCRM. For example, you should choose the appropriate email field from Outlook, as Outlook is sometimes configured to contain multiple email addresses for each contact. You will now be asked to run through a sequence of questions. You just need to follow the instructions. We recommend you read the documentation before running setup. This can be found under the Help and Support menu option at the top right of webCRM. Remember that you must shut down Outlook before you start the downloaded X file. When you run the sequence, you must remember the code stated here, which is unique to your system. When you next access your Outlook system, you will note that under Tools, then Settings, a newly created webCRM tab. Enter the system name from before, plus your username and password. Next time you open your Outlook system, it will automatically update, for example, adding new contacts or meetings. If you run Outlook 2007, don't forget to tick as shown here as well. Next time you open a received mail or send a new email from Outlook, you will see a button with Synchronize this with webCRM. Click this in order to synchronize the email with your webCRM system. You can also create meetings from both systems. If you go into the Outlook calendar and create a meeting, then you either have to state the organization name, or you select the appropriate contact person in the bottom of the screen and click Use Contact Email, and thus create your meeting from Outlook. Please note that in the future version of the Outlook synchronization module, this will be made even easier. If you wish to cancel a meeting, this is done from webCRM by clicking Meeting and selecting Cancelled. A deletion in webCRM or Outlook will not cause the meeting to disappear. It will appear as a cancelled meeting for future reference. If you do not use Outlook, then the Outlook synchronization module is not applicable to you. If you do use Outlook, but do not want the Outlook module, you may select to use the free option in webCRM to synchronize meetings and contacts. You do this by going into your calendar in the webCRM system, then click on the relevant meeting with such webCRM, and then on the Copy to Outlook icon. Please note that this only works one way, i.e. from webCRM to your Outlook system. Similarly, you are able to click a contact in webCRM and copy their data into Outlook by clicking the icon shown. There is a further module which handles incoming emails received into any email system. This is useful if you want to store inbound emails but don't need the Outlook integration module or don't use Outlook. You simply need to forward any emails you want to save to your webCRM system. This same module also handles any inquiries, comments, or requests from your website. You can easily integrate your website and create follow-up activities as well. For more information, either visit our website at webcrm.com or contact us and ask about the inbound email and website integration module.